Hello and welcome to a tutorial on how to use Barry Analytics. In this tutorial, we'll be going through a step-by-step guide on how to use the Sales Overview by Platform and Sales Manager reports of your Barry Analytics reporting app. The first report in this video is the Sales Overview by Platform. This report lets you compare your platforms that you sell on with each other, and you can do that overall or with individual brands. You can add parameters to the reports by either the date range, or you can choose a specific brand to compare. You can see the comparisons across platforms as well as comparisons to the previous month and year. If you enter a custom date range and make it a 2-month date range, the comparison of results will be to the previous 2-month range. So if you specify June to July, you'll compare your results to April and May. The second and final report of this video is the Sales Manager report. In this report, you are able to set a number of parameters and a date range so that you are able to see all your buyers and how they have been performing in that date range. That is all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below or give us an email, and we will try to get back to you as soon as possible to answer any of your queries. I'll catch you in the next video.